Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing some cleaning up around the house. It has gotten quite messy. I feel like I have been lazy the last couple days. I haven't really had much motivation to get up and clean. I don't know if it's just because everybody's home right now or I am just not feeling that energized to do anything. But I did realize once I got up and started moving, I really got into cleaning and I didn't want to stop after that. So I hope this video brings you some motivation. I will have some decorate with me videos coming up soon. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel and you like those types of videos, I would greatly appreciate it if you hit that red subscribe button right now before you forget. And I hope you guys all enjoy the video. So as you can see, I love starting my cleaning routine in my kitchen. So no matter where I start cleaning in the house, I always love to clean the kitchen first. I feel like once the kitchen is clean, I feel like so much more of my house is put together and clean and I don't have to worry about it. Just like when I start cleaning upstairs, I always like to start in my bedroom by making my bed and then I'll move on throughout the rest of the house. So the first thing that I did was I just finished loading up the dishwasher until that was all full, and then I got that going, and now I'm just going to hand wash the rest of the dishes. Instead of letting them sit and wait for the dishwasher to be done, unload that and then reload it, I decided I'm just going to go ahead and hand wash everything else, and then I will dry those, put them away. That way my whole kitchen is all nice and clean and I don't have to worry about it later on during the day. So I do get asked quite a bit where I get my drying mats and the dish rack that I am using. The wooden dish rack I purchased at Walmart, as well as the two drying mats that you see right here. The two drying mats did come in a pack, and those are by Pioneer Women. This one right here I purchased at the 99-cent store. I don't know if you guys have one where you live. It's like a dollar store. They do sell other items that are over $1, but I purchased this one, I want to say during the summer last year. It was during the spring of the summer last year. So now that all the dishes are finished, I'm going to clean out my sink, and for that I will be using the soft scrub cleanser along with some Dawn dish soap, and I love using the two together. It just helps break up anything that's left on the bottom of the sink, and the soft scrub does a really good job at whitening the porcelain sink that I have. It also gets rid of any type of scratch marks. I know that with some of my pots and pans, and if I'm not careful, my cast iron pan can put some scratch marks on my porcelain sink, but fortunately the soft scrub always does a beautiful job of getting rid of any of those marks, and my sink looks really white and pretty and everything's all good once I use this. I've tried just scrubbing it with some regular soap and it doesn't really do a good job, so I always go back to the soft scrub. It's been a while since we stumbled out. So now I'm just going to drop down one of these lemon scented planks, and I absolutely love these. These have a really strong lemon scent to them, and what they do is they just help deodorize your garbage disposal. I love them and I use them every time I clean the kitchen. So now I'm just going to be wiping down my countertops in here, and for that I will be using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day multi-surface cleaner in the rose scent. I love this scent so much. If you've been with me for a while, you know it's definitely one of my favorites. Anything rose scented I absolutely love. I will never get tired of those scents. So that's what I'm using in here, and then I am just going to get my essential oil diffuser started. I like to get this started once I have the kitchen cleaned, so while I'm cleaning the rest of the house, it fills the room with a really nice, pleasant scent. And the oil that I will be using today is called Bliss, and it is by a brand called Woolsey's, and it just has some floral notes to it. I want to say it's like rose and jasmine and something else I can't remember off the top of my head, but it smells amazing.
I'd still recall that even now, when time has passed, I owe you all, 'cause I could not bring myself to try. And even now, when we are old, stay in my heart, 'cause I wouldn't know how to move on. Even now, when time has passed, I owe you all.
So as I was going around cleaning up, I decided that I'm going to be taking all of my Easter related decor down, and I will be packing it up and putting it away. I want a good rest between the seasons. I don't want to jump straight from spring right into summer. It just doesn't feel summer yet, and I really like to take down anything Easter related right after Easter. I don't like to keep it up very long. So I just decided to put that bunny plate away, and I thought it would look perfect if I just replaced it with this candle holder that I just showed you. I purchased the candle holder at Michael's during Christmas time, I believe. The plant that sits in there, that was purchased Target Dollar Spot, and then that glass closure, I purchased that at Home Goods.
Coming back, yeah, I know that, yeah, I know that, you're the traveling kind, it's a known fact, yeah, I know that, Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination.
So now I'm just going to be cleaning my kitchen table, and for that I will be using the Method Wood for Good in the almond scent. I love this stuff. This is probably one of the only Method products that I really enjoy using. I'm not really a fan of the others. I do like to use the glass cleaner every once in a while, but other than that, I love the wood cleaner. It smells really, really good, and I never have any issues with any type of residue being left behind.
You're gone now, but you're coming back.
So now that the kitchen is all clean, I'm moving on into the family room, and I really just have some straightening up to do in here. I have a few pillowcases on the ottoman that I need to fold and put away, and then I'm just going to straighten up the couch and straighten up the cushions on the couch. I did make the slipcover, so sometimes they kind of get a little out of place, but I did take the bunny pillows off. I did put those away. I love the vintage looking bee pillows, or the French style looking bee pillows with the stripes. I get asked about those quite often, and I purchased those at Home Goods, And then the two larger white pillows that you see, those are just pillows that I had, and then I covered them with pillow covers. I purchased the pillow covers on Amazon, and those are always linked in my description box.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay?
So once I'm finished vacuuming, I'm going to mop the floors, and I will be doing it a little bit different today. I will be using my Cedar mop and bucket, but I decided to do something different as far as the cleaner that I will be using. I decided to just add a little bit of the Method antibacterial cleaner. I wasn't sure if this was going to leave behind a residue or anything, but I liked that it had that antibacterial cleaner in there, and I didn't want to use anything really harsh because of my dog, and he does lick his paws. And it ended up working out perfectly, and my floors turned out nice and clean without any type of residue.
This moment, can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Follow me out, down to the bay. Forget all the worries. When you're with me, let every wave gently kiss away.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed it. If you did, I would love it if you left me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and I hope you guys all have a beautiful day. See you in the next one. Bye!